Hello, and welcome back to How to Do Stuff. I'm Sophia, and today we will be simplifying your editing process with 4 simple steps. Step 1. Before opening your editor, ensure a clean workspace by organizing and labeling each of your individual files prior to import. In doing so, you will eliminate much future confusion and save inordinate amounts of time. Step 2. When opening your editor, make sure to maximize your window and collapse any unnecessary components such as your browser and/or inspector. This will help free up space and allow you to move more freely throughout your editing suite. Step 3. Before importing your files, check the box labeled Create Proxy Media, located under Transcoding, on the right side of your media import window. Once imported and transcoded, switch your project from Optimized Media to Proxy by going to View, Media, Proxy. By doing this, the program in which you are working will move at a faster speed as it is now processing a lower quality version of your footage. Just remember though to switch your project media back to Optimized/Original before export so your video will maintain its high resolution status. Step 4. To prevent unwanted interruptions and delays, deactivate your background render by opening your Final Cut Pro preferences and selecting Playback. Under Rendering, uncheck the box labeled Background Render. And there you go. Just remember that any new changes made after this will have to be rendered manually by selecting Render All/Selection under Modify. Or use the keyboard shortcut. And now for a bonus step, because unlike my original programmer's design, I am nice. F you, original programmer. When editing, it is imperative to move at a speed that is accustomed to your individual workflow. In other words, one is never allotted the opportunity to waste time while operating under creative inspiration. As such, it is helpful to utilize your keyboard shortcuts as often as possible. This will enable you to more quickly give commands and execute tasks, and also save a lot of time in the editing process. For as we all know, time is of the essence. Of course, from my perspective, time has already passed, as by the time you receive this transmission from the cold depths of space in which I live, I will have aged tremendously. Who knows? At the time of your watching this, I could already be dead.